Howdy, I'm Lucas, and this is Queer BIPOC Honky Tonk, where I introduce you to amazing country, bluegrass, and Americana artists who are queer, BIPOC, or both, celebrating the diverse storytellers that make our roots break and our hearts ache. Today I'm introducing you to Stockholm-based Max John Avalon. Max blends blues, folk, and rock influences into a sound that feels raw and surging, carried by expressive guitar work and a voice that leans fully into emotion. His music often explores uncertainty and self-reflection, allowing space for tension and release rather than rushing toward resolution. There's an intensity to his performances that makes each song feel personal and immediate, and I'm featuring a track that really captures that restless emotional pull. This is Confusion. So giddy up and go discover, support, and uplift Max John Avalon, and you can find Confusion on my Queer BIPOC Honky Tonk playlist on Apple Music and Spotify, where you can also find my Rootin' Tootin' new music playlist showcasing recent releases by artists featured on this series.